Good morning, children. Already we are explained some sums in exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. In the first chapter, knowing our numbers, we have the last exercise, that is exercise 1.3. Now I will say some sums. See the children, page number 23, exercise 1.3, first sum. I will read now. Estimate each of the following using general rule. Estimate. Already explained the content about the estimate the numbers. Nothing but rounding of the numbers. See the children here given using general rule. So what is the general rule means? Here the numbers C 730. The first one is A 730 plus 998. 730 means 730. Hundreds are given. So hundreds are given means we can estimate the numbers or we can rounding off to the hundreds. That is the general rule. For example, 75 is given. This is tens. 70 after 80. Other 75 before 70. So this is tens. So that we will rounding off to the tens. Like that, thousands are given. We can rounding off to the thousand. See children, this is 1000. This is 2000. So that number rounding off to the thousands. That is the general rule. See the first one. Rounding off. This is the solution. Rounding off 730 to, see children, 730. So we can rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Hundreds are given. That's why that is the general rule. See the 100 rounding off to hundreds means check the tens place value. Hundreds for rounding off hundreds. Check the tens place value. If tens place value is less than 5, see, no need to change the 100 place value. If it is more than 5 or 5 or more than 5, we can add 1 to the 100 place value. See the children, this is the tens place value, that is 3. Is it less than 5 or not? 3 is less than 5. Very good. So we can no need to change the 100 place value, that is 7. See the children, 7. So we can rounding up to hundreds now. Remaining tens place and unit place will be 0. Rounding off 732, that is 700. Children, that is, are we again right? 730 is 700. Like that, rounding off 998 is, again check that tens place value. What is that? Tens place value. Rounding off to hundreds means check the tens place value. See, if tens place value is 5 or more than 5, we can add 1 to the 100 place value. See, this is the 100 place value. What is that? 100 place value is 9. So tens place value is more than 5 means we can add 1 to the 100 place value. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. Like that above. Ones, tens, hundreds. Add 1 to the 100 place value. 9 plus 1, 10. Remaining tens place and ones place will be 0. Now add. We can add now, that is plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 0, 7, 1 is there. That is 700. So this is the estimated sum. So plus we can did here means the addition. Addition is also called as sum. The estimated sum is 1700. This is the first one. Children, like that we can do the subtraction also. That is estimated difference. We can find now estimated difference. See the children, now I will rounding off to rounding off 796 is equal to This is, see children, 7, 9, 6. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. What is that? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now, general, this is hundreds now, 700s. This is 300s, 300 something, 300s. General rule is, if hundreds are given, we can rounding up to hundreds. Tens are given, rounding up to tens. Like this. Thousands are given, so 1000 numbers are given, 1000. So that is rounding up to 1000. See the children, 796. Check the tens place value. See the tens place value what? 9. Is it more than 5 or not? Yes. 9 is the more than 5. Okay. If it is more than 5, add 1 to the hundreds place value. 1 plus 7. Hundreds place value 7. 8. Remaining tens place will be 0 and unit place also 0. That is 800. What is that? 800. See the children, next one, rounding off 314. What is that? 314. This is 0, this is tens, this is hundreds. 0 place, sorry, ones place or unit place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Do like that. Okay, children. Again, this one also hundreds number is given 314. So we can rounding up to the 100. Before that, you can identify the tens place value. You can identify the tens place value. See the children, what is the tens place value? 1. Is it 1 is less than 5? Yes, less than 5. If it is less than 5, don't change. No need to change hundreds place value. Keep it like that. Same. 3. Only 3. Remaining ones place and tens place will become 0. That is 300. 314 is rounding up to 300. So now we can find the difference. Minus difference. So minus asking now. So that's why minus. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 3. Subtract 3 from 8. How much? Okay, 500. The estimated difference is 500. So this is the 500. Okay, next one. See the children. See. This one also rounding off. Rounding off 12904 to. See the children. This one also have the so many numbers. In ones place, tens place, hundreds place. You can write the big numbers. It will be 12904. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds. What is that? Hundreds place, thousands place. Thousands place. This is 10,000 place. This is 10,000 place. See the children. Okay, children. This is 12,000. We can rounding out to the thousands. So you want to rounding out to the 1,000. Check the hundreds place value. First of all, check the hundreds place value. If hundreds place value is less than 5 means no need to change the 1,000 place value. If more than 5 means we can add 1 to the 1,000 place value and see the children. Then remaining 2 places means ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and 1,000 hundreds place. These 3 places will be 0. Hundreds place value is more than 5. You can add 1 to the 1,000 place value. That is, so 1 is there. We can add 1 to the 2. That will become 3. 2 plus 1 3. Remaining 3 places will be 0. 13,000. 13,000. So hundreds place value more than 5 now. So we can add 1 to the 1,000 place value. 1 plus 2 become 3. So this is 1 3 and remaining 3 places will be 0. That is 13,000. Now do like that rounding off 2,888 is equal to the children. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. This one also rounding to thousands. So check the children hundreds place value. If 100 place is more than 5, is it right? 8 is more than 5 or not? Yes, more than 5. So we can add 1 to the 1000 place value. 1 plus 2 become 3. Remaining 100 place will be 0, 1000 place will be 0, 10 place will be 0, and 1 place will be 0. Okay, this is plus then. Add the above numbers. Add plus 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, and 3 plus 3 6, and 1. 16,000 is the required estimated sum. Okay children. Okay children, now we will see the second question. Second question, give you a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. If nearest hundreds, no need to nearest tens. See the children, the first one 439 plus 334 plus 4000. This is 4314. So first one rounding up to the hundreds. This is direct given nearest to hundreds. No need to general rule. Nearest to 100 means we are rounding up to the 100 plus values. The first one, see the children, rounding off 439 is, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Rounding off to the hundreds means check the tens place value. Check the tens place value. Again I am saying if tens place value is less than 5, no need to change 100 place value, remaining taking as zeros. If it is more than 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 to the 100 place value. Remaining 2 places will be 0. See the children, identify the tens place value. So what is the tens place value in the 439? 3. 3, is it less than 5 or not? Yes, less than 5. 3 is the less than 5 now. So no need to change the 100 place value. 4 will be again 4. The remaining 2 places means ones place will be 0 and tens place will be 0. 400. 439. Nearest 100 is 400. See the children next. Rounding off 334. 334. Next one. 334. Again identify ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See the children, identify the tens place value. Here what is the tens place value? 3 none. So 3 is the tens place value. Is it less than 5 or not? Yes, less than 5. So again no need to change. 100 place value, that is 3, and remaining 10 place will be 0, and ones place will be 0. That is 300. This is, the first one is 400 and the second one is 300. Okay children, next 4000, rounding off 4,340. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See the children, we want up to hundreds place. Why? Because nearest hundreds. So again here identify the tens place value. See the children, identify the tens place value. What is the tens place value? 1. So 1 is the tens place value. Is it less than 5 or not? Yes, less than 5. So no need to change. Hundreds place value, that is 3. and 1000 of place value also no need to change 43. Remaining both will be 0 0. Okay, this is 4300. Asking plus na estimated sum na add plus, that is 0 plus 0. Add according to place wise. Unit places 0. Next unit on tens places 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. Next hundreds places 4 plus 3. Suppose 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 10 0. Again 1 is the carry. 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5000 is the required answer. What is that? 5000 is required answer. See the children, next one B. This one also rounding off to the nearest hundreds. The first one rounding off 1,08,734 is, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Enough. Why nearest hundred we have to write now? Children, check the again here tens place value. Again I am saying the rule, if tens place value is less than 5, no need to change the 100 and in front of that place values. Only making as tens place and ones place will be 0. Children, tens place will be 3. Is it less than 5 now? Yes, less than 5. Remaining right as this 108. 7 will be as 7. No need to change. Remaining will be 0 0. Okay, children. Next one. Rounding off 47,599. Children, so ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Again check the tens place value. Rounding off hundreds na. Check the tens place value. If tens place value is more than 5 or 5, you can add ones to the 100 place value. 5 plus 1, 6. Remaining 2 places will be 0. So 0 0 6 4 7. Okay. Now we will do the subtraction difference, estimated difference. That is called as estimated difference. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0. 7 minus 6. What are 1. 8 minus 7. 1. 0, we can't subtract 4 from 0. So take bar, that will become again 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 61,100. This is the required estimated difference. Okay, now children. So children, the last question in the exercise and also the first chapter in this chapter. What is that? Estimate the following products using general rule. In the above sum, we are learned about how to find the estimated sum. That is nothing but rounding off the given numbers and add. And then estimated difference means rounding off the given numbers and find the difference, subtract. Like here, see the children, we can find the product. First, rounding off the given numbers, then find the product. Product means find the multiplication value. Okay, see the children, rounding off 578 to, that is ones place value, tens place value, hundreds place. General means I told already, hundreds are given, we can find the nearest hundred. Thousands, this is 3,000 for 5,000. That is rounding off to 1,000 places. Okay, children. See, rounding off to the hundreds place. So find the tens place value. What is the tens place value here? 7 is the tens place value. So what is that? 7 is the less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, more than 5. So more than 5 means we can add 1 to the 100 place value. 5 plus 1, 6. Remaining tens place will be 0 and ones place will be 0. Okay na? Next, rounding off 161. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Again, in this one also check the tens place value. If it is 10 place value is more than 5, we can add 1 to the hundreds place. Remaining ones place and tens place will be zeros. Okay, children, check tens place. 6. Is it less than 5 or more than 5? As more than 5. So we can add 1 to the 100 place value. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay, next. Remaining tens place will be 0 and ones place will be 0. Now find the product. 600 into 200. Children, very easy. 0 zeros is there, 0 0. Again 0 0 is there. Ones place value, hundreds place value only numbers. 2 6 are 12. 1,20,000. This is the required estimated product. Like that, see the children. B1. This is ones place value, tens place value, hundreds, thousands. Ones place value. The first one rounding off 5,291. Ones place value, tens place value, hundreds and thousands. Thousands are given as general rule. So thousands means nearest thousand we have to find. So identify the hundreds place value. What is hundreds place value? 2 is the hundreds place value. So 2 is the less than 5. No need to change 1000 place, that is 5. Remaining 3 will be 0. Remaining 3 means 100 place will be 0, tens will be 0, and ones place will be 0. See the children, rounding off 3,491. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. See the children, what is that? We can identify the 100 place value, that is 4. 4 is it less than 5 or not? Yes, 4 is less than 5. No need to change. 1000, that is 3. Remaining will be 0, 0, 0. So that is 5,000 into 3,000. Find product na? 3 zeros are there. 0, 0, 0. This is shortcut method also. Okay. 3 5s are 15. This is the required value. Okay. This is the required product. Okay, children. The first chapter is completed. In the next class, I will start the second chapter.